Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Claude Sonnet 4.5, and honestly, this might be the most insane AI model ever created. It is faster, smarter, and shockingly human in how it understands the context. Now, Claude Sonnet 4.5 is Anthropic's latest upgrade to their Claude series, and it is blowing people away. This version combines the reasoning power of Claude 3 Opus with the speed of Claude Instant, meaning that you are going to get deep logical answers in seconds. It is insanely good at the long context reasoning. You can upload the books, reports, and full research papers, and Claude is going to connect every details without losing the focus. The memory and the coherence are next level. It keeps track of the earlier parts of your chat like it actually understands you. It also handles the code writing and creative storytelling with the near perfect balance. No robotic tone, no overthinking, and the best part is that it is more factual and grounded with fewer hallucinations than previous versions. So people are calling it the first model that truly feels like a calm, smarter human partner and not just a chatbot. So yeah, Claude Sonnet 4.5 isn't just another update. It is a huge leap in AI reasoning and conversations. So have you tried it yet? You can just drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.